We all have small collections that tell quiet stories about who we are. Books, fine art records, travel souvenirs, or sometimes something as simple and personal as mugs. Mugs are surprisingly intimate objects. Each one carries a moment, a cafe you loved, a trip you took, a friend who gifted it, or even a phase of life when morning coffee became ritual. So, instead of hiding them behind cupboard doors, why not celebrate them? That is where wooden wall shelves come in. Practical, beautiful, and full of character. A wooden wall shelf transforms a simple mug collection into a design feature. It adds warmth and texture to your wall while letting each piece breathe visually. Unlike metal or glass, wood doesn't compete for attention. It frames the collection with quiet confidence. The idea isn't about display, it is about curation. When you mount wooden shelves to showcase mugs, you're treating everyday objects as small works of art. You're saying this isn't just kitchenware, it is memory, design, and story. Wood has a unique ability to balance personality with calmness. A natural oak or beech finish creates a bright Scandinavian style backdrop. Perfect if your mugs are colorful or patterned. Darker woods like walnut or teak bring contrast, grounding the display and giving it a cozy cafe-like vibe. And reclaimed wood, with its imperfections and character, adds authenticity, the kind that makes the whole display feel lived in and human. But beyond the visual warmth, there is structure. The way you compose these shelves make all the difference. Spacing is key. Mugs need room to breathe. Too many too close together and you lose the sense of individual charm. Think of it less like a story track and more like a gallery wall. A few well-placed shelves can hold the same number of mugs as a cabinet, but look infinitely more intentional. Functionality, of course, still matters. The shelves must be strong enough to hold the weight of ceramic pieces without sagging. That is where solid wood makes a real difference, not just for aesthetics, but for stability. And the brackets, whether hidden for a floating effect or visible for an industrial touch, become part of the visual composition. The lighting around the display can elevate it further. Soft undershelf LED lighting adds dimension and highlights the colors and shapes of your mugs. It is subtle but transformative, especially in evening settings where the glow feels intimate and inviting. You can also integrate small personal touches, a trailing plant that drapes over the side, a framed photo or postcard tucked between mugs, or a small wooden sign that adds warmth to the arrangement. These details blend function with emotion, the essence of good home design. A wood shelf also makes your daily coffee ritual more meaningful. You reach for a mug and you see all the others, reminders of places people, and moments. It is not just about convenience, it is about connection. The small joy of interacting with beautiful things that have personal significance. From sustainability standpoint, this idea also encourages mindful collecting. When you curate and display, you become selective, choosing pieces that truly mean something rather than buying out of habit. It turns consumerism into craftsmanship, a shift from more to meaningful. There is also psychological comfort in seeing your collection out in the open. Wood, with its organic tones and subtle grain, naturally creates a calming visual field. When combined with mugs, objects tied to warmth, rest, and comfort, it is almost therapeutic. It is a little everyday luxury that costs almost nothing but feels deeply grounding. Whether you're a minimalist with 5 handmade mugs or a collector with dozens from every city you have visited, wooden shelves make them visible, tangible, and personal. They create an atmosphere, one that says your home isn't just style, it is lived in with intention. So, the next time you pick a mug, imagine it not tucked away, but standing proudly on a beautifully carved wooden shelf. Because sometimes the most ordinary objects becomes the extraordinary ones when you give them the right stage. So until next time, happy decorating.